Hello my dear children, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is join operation in data frame. Actually it is a new module within the same unit, pandas. We had already discussed what is join in MySQL, isn't it? What is joining of two tables? By using a common column name, we can join two tables. If the column values are present in both of the table, the merging happens. Similar to that, instead of table, here we are going to join two data frame. That is the only difference between Python pandas data frame and a MySQL database table. My dear children, let me explain the types of joins in the Python. That is, first one is full outer join. I had already given a small clues about full outer join in data frame chapter in the previous section. The full outer join results both the left and right outer joins. The joined data frame will contain all the records from both of the data frame and fill nulls in the mismatch of the values. You can perform full outer join by specifying how argument as outer in merge function. My dear children, please notice this. We have to use merge function in pandas for joining two tables along with the how argument. Let me explain with an example. My dear children, here I used two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2, and it is having common column names like id, value 1, value 2. In the data frame 1, I had created dictionary of 1, and in the data frame 2, I had used dictionary of 2. And look at the 8th line of this program. df3 equals pd dot merge of df1 comma df2. Till that we had already discussed, isn't it? On equal to id. That means what? Use a common column name called id. And how is another argument? Within that I had used a value called outer. So how the interpreter will take? It will take the outer join with the common column name id. My dear children, look at the resultant. id value 1 x, value 2 x, and value 1 y, value 2 y. My dear children, I am repeating why we are getting these sort of resultant, because it is outer join. And look at the example. Here in this we have to notice one more thing, the suffixes x and y. Here x indicates what? We can use the x and y suffixes for different data frame. The x is from df1 and y is from df2. And for mismatch values, the interpreter automatically gives a non value in a output. This is another example. Here we can give our own suffix for the resultant data frame. Look at the suffixes I had used: underscore left and underscore right. Instead of generating the default x and y suffixes, here I used left and right. So how the left side df, that is, in the left side I had given df1, in the right side I had given df2. So according to that only we are getting the values. Look at the output. Here I am getting value 1 left and value 2 left, value 1 right, value 2 right. I think you are all clear about how to join in an outer manner using merge operation in data frame. Thank you.